Welcome to this video on 2 ways to change the time zone on a Casio Gshock after you have traveled or changed time zone. Here is the first method. Press the mode button a few times until you see WT on the screen. Your watch is now in world time mode. Press the forward button a few times until you find the city that you want your watch to be set in. If you don't know which one to use, please leave a comment below and with your location, and I will guide you on which time zone to use. Once you find the city, for example I will use New York City, press and hold the adjust button for a few seconds if you want to turn DST or summertime on. Press and hold the adjust button for a few seconds also if you want to deactivate summertime. To choose this city, press the adjust and reverse button both at the same time. Your watch will now turn into New York City time or the city that you choose for your new time zone. Here is the second way to do the same thing. Method 2. Press the mode button a few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds until the city that the watch is currently set in starts flashing. Use the 2 buttons on the right side to choose your new time zone or new city. Once again, if you don't know which one to use, please leave a comment below with your location and I will guide you. I will use London for this one. Press the adjust button 1 time and now your watch will rotate to the new time zone. In this example, London. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.